best-selling shingle just got better. Introducing GAF Timberline HDZ, featuring the largest high-visibility nailing zone, backed by the industry's first wind warranty with no maximum wind speed limitation. Your time and reputation are priceless, so GAF engineered the strike zone nailing area, an up to 600% larger nailing target for faster, more accurate installations. How'd we do that? Our proprietary layer lock technology that mechanically fastens and strengthens the common bond. And nailing in the strike zone area means nails pass through 2 courses of shingles for secondary fastening. Want more proof? Introducing Wind Proven, the industry's first wind warranty with no maximum wind speed limitation. Layer lock technology in the strike zone nailing area enable a dual-phase shingle-to-shingle seal. First, our legendary DuraGrip sealant pairs with the smooth microgranule surface of the strike zone nailing area for fast tack. Then, an asphalt-to-asphalt monolithic bond cures for durability, strength, and exceptional wind uplift performance. Crews get the shingle engineered for the best possible installation. Your customers get unmatched wind warranty coverage. You get rave reviews and peace of mind. GAF Strike Zone, 600% larger nailing target for faster, more accurate installations.